Another day, another fighting the weather. I'm gonna do this door. I'm gonna swap that out. I got that. I have this door, but I think I've only got about an hour, and I have to take the fender off to get the door off, so I'm probably gonna do that next week. Fighting the weather is obnoxious, so now let's get started. Now have all silver doors. I got gaskets coming to fix that. And like I said, I'll go ahead and change this door next week, but I don't want to try to fight the weather and try to take a fender off and then have that off and be stuck off if it rains. So, but yeah, the only red panels left are the two front fenders. I still need to find fenders, and I need a bumper. This bumper is not installed. I wouldn't even say it's not installed correctly. It's like got zip ties and a couple things holding it on, but we are getting a little bit closer. Once I get a few more body panels changed, then I can eventually get it wrapped, but I'm just trying to fix the bad stuff before I even try to dial that in and narrow that down. But you know, doors close better, it's less red, so getting back to almost being factory, which is nice. Thanks so much for checking out my video. If you would, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications. It really helps. I do put out a video at least once or twice a week. It's either going to be car stuff or Fallout stuff or whatever I feel like doing, although lately I'm getting pretty into Starbase. I do stream on Twitch Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Although most of the time I get bored, I go live on Thursday and Saturday anyways. But if I am live, 9 p.m. Central, twitch.tv/Rotomon. If you want to check out all my links, rotomon.com. I have merch, shopprotomon.com. Thanks for hanging out, and I will catch you on the next one. Later, everybody.